How do you get tsDMARDs covered by insurance for RA? If you or someone you know is managing rheumatoid arthritis and considering targeted synthetic disease-modifying antirheumatic drugs, or tsDMARDs, understanding insurance coverage can feel complicated. These advanced medications work by targeting specific molecules involved in inflammation, helping control symptoms and slow disease progression. But getting them covered by insurance involves a few important steps. First, your healthcare provider, usually a rheumatologist, must prescribe the tsDMARD and document that it's medically necessary. This means showing that other treatments like conventional disease-modifying drugs or biologic therapies haven't worked well enough or aren't suitable. Insurance companies want to see that the medication is essential for your health. Next, it's important to check if the prescribed tsDMARD is on your insurance plan's formulary. A formulary is a list of drugs that your insurance covers. If the medication isn't on this list, coverage may be denied unless special approval is obtained. Most plans requiring prior authorization, which means your doctor will submit detailed medical information to justify the need for the drug. The insurer then reviews this request to decide whether to approve coverage. Many insurance plans also have step therapy policies. This means you might need to try and fail less expensive or more established treatments first. For example, you might need to show that you've tried other disease-modifying drugs or biologics without success before the insurer agrees to cover the tsDMARD. Even when coverage is approved, there are often out-of-pocket costs. These can include copayments, coinsurance, or deductibles. For instance, Medicare Part D, which covers many raw medications, often requires coinsurance averaging around 30%, meaning you pay a significant portion of the drug's cost until reaching your plan's out-of-pocket maximum. For those on Medicare, coverage depends on the part of Medicare involved. Part B covers tsDMARDs administered in a clinical setting, like infusions, with patients paying 20% coinsurance after meeting a deductible. Part D covers self-injected or oral tsDMARDs taken at home, with variable copayments and deductibles. Prior authorization is almost always needed, and costs can add up before coverage limits are reached. If your insurance denies coverage, you have the right to appeal the decision. Many pharmaceutical companies also offer assistance programs or copay cards to help reduce costs. Additionally, under the Affordable Care Act, insurance plans cannot deny coverage or charge higher premiums solely because of rheumatoid arthritis. Higher-tier plans generally provide better coverage and lower out-of-pocket costs for these expensive medications. In summary, obtaining insurance coverage for tsDMARDs involves working closely with your healthcare provider to document medical necessity, navigating your insurance plan's formulary and prior authorization process, understanding your financial responsibilities, and exploring options if coverage is denied. Always consult your healthcare provider and insurance company for personalized guidance, as individual circumstances can vary. Access to these targeted therapies is possible with the right information and support.